Hello! Today, Mary wakes up, gets ready for school, and has breakfast with her mom. This simple and fun conversation will help you learn common morning vocabulary and everyday English phrases. The highlighted dialogues are also in the video description, so you can write them down and study them. It is early in the morning. The sun is rising. The birds are singing. Mary is sleeping in her bed. Her mother opens the door. "Good morning, Mary." "It is time to wake up," Mom says. Mary moves under the blanket. "5 more minutes, please," she says. Mom smiles. "No, no. You will be late for school." "Come on, wake up," she says. Mary sits up and rubs her eyes. Okay. I am awake," she says. "Good. Now go wash your face and brush your teeth," Mom says. Mary gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom. She washes her face with cold water. She brushes her teeth. Now she feels awake. She goes back to her room. She opens her closet and takes out her school uniform. It is a blue skirt and a white shirt. Now she is ready for breakfast. She goes to the kitchen. Mom is making breakfast. The kitchen smells good. "Mom, what are we having for breakfast?" Mary asks. "You can choose," Mom says. "Do you want toast with butter or cereal with milk?" I want toast with butter," Mary says. "Good choice. And here is a banana for you," Mom says. "Yum. I like bananas," Mary says. "Do you want juice or milk?" Mom asks. "Milk, please," Mary says. Mom puts the toast on a plate. She gives Mary a glass of milk and a banana. "Eat well. You need energy for school," Mom says. Mary eats her toast. The butter is warm and soft. She drinks her milk. It is cold and fresh. She peels the banana and takes a bite. It is sweet and soft. "Did you pack your school bag?" Mom asks. "Yes, I have my books and my notebook," Mary says. "Do you have your lunch?" Mom asks. "Oh no! I forgot," Mary says. Mom laughs. "It is here on the table. Don't forget it," she says. Mary takes her lunchbox and puts it in her backpack. She looks at the clock. Oh! The school bus is coming soon. Mary says. "Yes, go put on your shoes," Mom says. Mary runs to the door and puts on her shoes. She takes her backpack. "Okay, Mom. I am ready," Mary says. "Good. Have a nice day at school," Mom says. "Thank you. Bye, Mom," Mary says. She opens the door and runs outside. The yellow school bus is coming down the street. Mom watches from the window. She smiles. "Another good morning," she says.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.